Here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it. We're going to look at the 8 AI infrastructure stocks quietly powering the entire AI boom. Most investors chase the AI apps, but the real money and technology revolutions often made in the infrastructure layer. The companies building the chips, the networks, the data centers that make AI even possible. Right now, the biggest capital race in tech history is underway. Major tech companies are expected to spend hundreds of billions of dollars building their AI infrastructure across chips, networking, and data centers. These 8 companies sit at the core of that infrastructure stack. The hidden truth about the AI boom: most investors focus on AI software, but historically the biggest and most durable profits come from the companies controlling the semiconductor manufacturing, data center infrastructure, networking hardware, cloud computing capacity. These are literally the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. The real opportunity, the AI boom, could become the biggest infrastructure build out since the internet era. Trillions of dollars may eventually flow into chips, compute, networking, energy, data centers, and these companies building that infrastructure could become the biggest long-term winners in the AI economy. So let's jump in and take a look at those 8 stocks. First one up is ASML Holding, the semiconductor gatekeeper. Okay, why that one matters. Monopoly on the EUV chip making machines, essential for the next generation AI chips, massive backlog from chip manufacturers. Without ASML, modern AI chips literally cannot be produced. So I would say they have a chokehold on the whole sector. Next one up, TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Manufactures the majority of the world's advanced semiconductors. Companies like NVIDIA, Apple, AMD rely on TSMC to fabricate their chips. Big deal, okay? That is a big deal. As all AI compute demand explodes, TSMC's production capacity becomes a critical bottleneck. And as you can see, both of these companies, ASML, has had a heck of a run here, as well as TSM, and we're just waiting for that, pullback into a location and then a breakout. The next one, no surprise, Broadcom, just sitting here, sideways consolidation. We're just waiting for a breakout on it. And the AI networking backbone is Broadcom. Okay, supplies high-speed networking chips that allow massive AI clusters to communicate efficiently. Okay, its AI semiconductor revenue has surged as hyperscalers scale up infrastructure. These chips connect the GPUs, servers, and cloud infrastructure. Without this networking layer, AI clusters would choke on data. Okay, the next one is ANET, consolidating, after a great run. All of these have been doing very, very well and will obviously continue. This is the AI data center switch. It builds ultra-fast networking switches used inside hyperscale data centers. As AI models grow larger, servers must exchange enormous amount of data. And its networking hardware enables massive GPU clusters to work together efficiently. Next one is Micron Technology. And as you can see, it's on an absolute tear here to the upside. All these are just unbelievable. AI memory supplier. AI workloads require enormous amounts of memory, of course, and it produces the DRAM, the NAND storage, high bandwidth memory. AI servers use so much memory that traditional servers driving demand for these components. And as you can see, that's no joke how this one company here has just exploded. Next one is Marvel, and Marvel Technology, custom AI builds specialized chips for data centers, cloud networks, AI accelerators. Custom chips help hyperscalers optimize performance and power efficiency for AI workloads. Now it's pulled back a little bit here, but week before last had a great week, kind of neutral this week, and we'll watch and see if we get a little bit more pullback here, or if we can get that beautiful breakout. VRT, oh my goodness, just keeps breaking out. This one, not financial advice, none of this, okay? All these companies could go to $1 million a share or zero. You know how that goes. Anyway, what they do, data center power and cooling, AI chips consume massive amounts of electricity and generate huge heat loads. And this company builds the infrastructure for power distribution, cooling, high-density AI server racks. As AI clusters scale toward megawatt-level power consumption, companies like Vertiv become critical. Okay, so we would wait for a pullback. See how it gets extended above the 20, comes back in, rides to 20. That's what we would be. Right, you know, I mean, it looks good. Most retail buyers go, oh yeah, let's buy. You know, let's get in, let's get in. Not financial advice, but that's not a good place to get in. Well above the 20, you want it to go sideways or pull back, you know, closer to the 20 before entering. Okay, the last one here. EQX, Global Data Center Network, operates more than 270 data centers worldwide, providing the infrastructure cloud providers rely on. As AI adoption increases, demand for AI optimized data centers is accelerating, and it's investing billions expanding its capacity to support that growth. Great pullback here, thank goodness. That's what you want to see. A lot of people, retail people, get scared, nervous when these, you know, big high-flying companies pull back. And plus, it's a pretty reasonable price, to be honest with you. But anyway, doing great here. And that'll about wrap it up. Thanks, guys, for watching. If you want to learn more about the charts, I didn't really get to delve in here much on the patterns and setups. Come visit us on Patreon. That's where we do all that. Get our guys coached up on that sort of thing. And we will see you on the charts.